Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. This is Commerce first year class, and today's question is difference between private and public limited companies. It is very, very important, and in 10 marks it will come. Okay, sir. It is a repetitive question, and without this question, you will not find question paper. So, this is very easy, very important. Okay, sir. Straight away, regarding kinds of companies we discussed in the class. So I will not go to chartered company, I will not go to government company, I will not go to statutory company. Regarding that, all we discussed. And in 2 marks, those questions will be asked. So straight away, I will go to the points of differences. First point of difference between private company and public limited company is regarding number of members. In case of private limited companies, minimum number of members required. Minimum number of members required is 2. In case of public limited companies, minimum number of members required to start is 7. Similarly, without 7 members you cannot start public limited company. A single person cannot start a private company. So minimum number of members required is 2 in case of private limited companies. Minimum number of members required to start public limited company is 7. Second is maximum limit. Maximum limit is 50. In case of public limited company, maximum limit is no ceiling is there, it is unlimited. Any number of persons can become member in public limited companies. Minimum 7 you have to have, maximum sky high will be limit. So unlimited. Thousands, lakhs of shareholders will be there in public limited companies. In case of private limited companies, it is 50. Private limited company, like I said in the class, it is nothing but extension of partnership. To have some feature of partnership, to have some feature of company, people start partnership, people take partnership to private limited company level. Okay, this is difference. Then I don't want to waste time. This is very simple. Third difference is minimum paid up capital. Minimum capital in case of private limited companies should be 1 lakh. Minimum 1 lakh, you cannot have capital less than 1 lakh. Minimum capital to start is in private limited companies 1 lakh, and you may have more than that, but you cannot have less than that. Minimum capital is 1 lakh, maximum there is no limit. Similarly, in case of public limited companies, minimum capital which is required should be 5 lakhs. This is one difference. Maximum, there is no limit. Minimum 5 lakhs undali in case of public limited companies. In case of private limited companies, it is 1 lakh. This is common difference. This is simple difference. Another difference is, in case of private limited companies, name should end with private limited word should be suffix at the end of the name. In case of public limited company, your name should end with public limited. Name should end with public limited. For example, Kapil Chit Fund Private limited companies. In public limited companies, example is Reliance Company Limited. At the end of the name, word public limited word should be suffixed or should be attached. Okay, that is one difference. Another difference of private limited and public limited companies, here there cannot be any, cannot transfer the shares. Shares cannot be transferred in case of private limited companies because they are not going to the public. They are collecting the money, whatever is required from those 50 members only. Therefore, transfer cannot take place in private limited companies, but in case of public limited companies, easily you can transfer the shares. In case of public limited companies, shares of a company goes thousands of hands. it may get transferred to thousands of shareholders. Because of transferability only, like I said in the class, because of transferability only, common people like you and me are also interested, also getting attracted towards public limited companies. We are getting attracted towards investing in the companies because of transferability. Another reason is because of low value of shares. Because of these two reasons, every section of people are nowadays are doing their investment in companies in shares. Okay, this is one difference. Sixth difference is private limited company, soon after getting incorporation certificate, they can start their operation. They can start their business. They can start purchasing. They can start selling. They can start their business operation soon after getting incorporation certificate, registration certificate. For them there is no need of certificate of commencement. But in case of public limited companies, they should start business. Public limited companies get started only after getting commencement certificate. First they have to get incorporation certificate, then they have to get commencement certificate also. And commencement certificate will be given by the registrar to the public limited company only when they show minimum subscription. Minimum subscription is 90% of paid up capital. After issuing prospectus within 180 days, they have to collect and gather and should show minimum subscription to the registrar. Then the registrar will give certificate of commencement certificate, and after getting commencement certificate, they can start their operations. They can start their business activities. Okay, sir. Until and unless they cannot start. I hope you understood. The next advantage is board of directors. Management will be in the hands of board of directors. Minimum number of board of directors required in case of private limited companies to maximum directors should be 20. Should be there is no limit. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Minimum directors are 2, maximum all 50 members. There is no limit. All 50 members can become directors. In case of public limited company, minimum number of board of directors required, minimum number of directors will be 5. I beg your pardon, 3, and maximum is 20. Maximum number of directors are 20 in case of public limited companies. Similarly, another disadvantage is another difference between private and public limited companies regarding quorum. Quorum means minimum number of members required for conducting meetings is 2. And here in case of public limited companies, minimum number of members required to conduct meeting is 5. Here quorum, minimum number required to conduct meeting is 5 members. Minimum 5 members should be there to conduct meeting in case of public limited companies. It is also very simple. Now next is directors. Here directors of public limited companies can borrow loans from company. Borrow loans from company. Here in case of public limited companies, directors they cannot borrow loans from company. This is also one difference. Okay. Another difference orally I will tell you. Next and last difference is to appoint board of directors, single resolution is enough. Here you have to take separate resolutions for appointing board of directors, appointing board of directors. Resolution means gatherings whereby opinions, suggestions will be taken, is called as a resolution. In a single gathering, private limited companies can select all the board of directors. But in case of public limited companies, you have to sit separately for appointing separate board of directors. These are the couple of differences. Other differences orally I will tell you. Yes, there is no restrictions on remuneration of directors. In case of private limited companies, remuneration is not, no restrictions is there on remuneration of board of directors. But here, in case of public limited company, there are certain restrictions on remuneration, salaries to be paid to the directors. That depends upon the profit. In case of private limited companies, there is no restrictions. Okay, sir. These are the simple differences between private and public limited companies. Very simple. When you study, all these things you can remember. In the class I have explained in detail. Here in brief, once again I have explained you. So study this from examination point of view. It is very, very important. Thank you. I will come another day with another question.